Welcome to your self-confidence booster. Take a relaxed position, lying down or sitting on a chair. Gently close your eyes and observe your breathing, how it goes in and out. Is it going in slowly? Rapidly? Where is your breathing going into your body? Is it going into your belly? Into your chest? Everyone sometimes likes the calm. The calm has qualities. Calmly sitting here, a calm body, doing nothing, having to know nothing, being allowed to know nothing, has its pleasant aspects. Your body could dream while sleeping, and seemingly important thoughts can leave you, so that gradually your breathing has changed too, like waves that rock you, a gentle up and down. It is this pleasant uniformity which accompanies us like the wind of lake, which is carried light-heartedly, which lets itself carry. It can let itself fall. And it can rise in the wind easily, without doing anything. Without any knowledge, in doing nothing than making beautiful experiences. It can forget itself. I wonder what it's like to float, to glide weightlessly, just to be without real understanding, to see without words, to hear without pictures, tender feelings from the inside, a sea full of silence. While you continue to listen and make certain experiences, your sinking accelerates just as it is right for you now. Now go back to an experience, any experience, where you trusted yourself. A situation where you were confident in yourself, where you felt strong. It can be any situation of the past, even long time ago. Let this situation now pop up in front of your inner eye. What are you doing? What is happening around you? Let the situation take shape, like a movie, in full color. Now turn the sound on. make sure that you watch the situation out of your own eyes. Allow yourself to feel what you have felt when you were in this situation. Allow yourself to feel the self-confidence, the strength, maybe courage that you experienced. Surrender completely to this feeling. Maybe you can locate this feeling in your body. There is a place where you can feel it most, where this feeling might have its origin. And you might want to put a hand on this place to create a strong and solid connection. And I wonder if you can intensify this feeling. Does it have a color or an energy? Maybe a specific shape? Maybe there are also images, and you allow your imagination to create pictures, symbols, or metaphors. Just allow it to happen all by itself. Metaphors can appear and send you a message from your subconscious. Just let it happen and watch. Maybe like a child, how shapes, colors, surroundings appear. And I wonder if you can still feel your self-confidence, your strength, courage. If you can still feel it, and if you can even intensify this feeling. Maybe it grows in your body like an energy or a color that spreads out from the place of its origin, spreading out into neighbor areas of your body, and spreading even more into your legs until you can feel it tingling in your feet, in your toes. And you send it into your arms until you feel it tingling in your fingertips. Can you feel how the emotion in your body increases, like intensifies? How this feeling is spreading out of your spirit into every tissue and pore of your body. Now, the part in you who can, like in a dream, travel into your future, into any future, a future where all changes have already become reality, and look back from there into the past and see what has changed. A form of recognition of everything that your subconscious has done in terms of work. The new can become conscious as soon as your subconscious wants it. Choose a situation of the near future, a challenging situation, where you will need the full presence of your feeling of self-confidence, strength, maybe courage. And you take this feeling in your body with you, and you go into this future situation, your challenging situation. Let this situation pop up in front of your inner eye now. And this feeling, this energy that you can feel in your body here in this situation. And you know deep inside that you have all you need to handle this situation. That you carry your energy with you, that it is here to give you the power, strength, courage, determination to handle the situation. What is happening now? Make sure that you are in the center of the situation and that you see what is happening around you out of your own eyes. What are you doing? You carry your own special mental power within you, and you can imagine anything you want. Your mind is so powerful that it can make your greatest wishes a reality. And you know deep inside of yourself that this is true. That you are capable, you are strong. You are self-determined and assertive, and your creative mind already starts to find new ideas, new concepts of what you will do to change your life forever. You can feel how it is to believe in yourself, to appreciate yourself exactly as you are. Your mind is making new connections of strength and courage, and you become more and more self-determined. You are good enough. You are lovable, and deep inside you somehow know that this is true, all by itself. See your new self acting in your future situation, handling it with excellence, mastering it, all by itself. What do you see? What do you do or say? And how does that feel? Listen closely to your body now. Can you feel the power of this feeling? How, like a miracle, all by itself it is there, ready for you, making you strong. Stay connected to this feeling in your body. And allow yourself now to take a position, to move your body and take a posture that exemplifies this feeling. Maybe your back is straightening up. Maybe your head is taking a new position. Maybe your arms and hands want to move into a gesture that is showing your unique power. Stay in this position for a little while and feel how your energy, your strength, your inner power is flowing through your body. And I wonder if when you take this position in the future, you can feel your strength, your power again. And I wonder if you can already see this change happening in your life, in real situations, how this feeling acts from within you. And you can continue to learn to step into this feeling more and more tomorrow and each time you do this mental workout. You don't really know how that happens, how good experiences connect with others, why you suddenly recognize something important, where exactly a new ability came from, what exactly controls the good doing or the important letting go. Now I ask you, gradually and in time, which is just right for you, to come back to this time and in this room by getting more and more awake, like waking up from a little refreshing nap, opening your eyes and be here again, fresh and somehow changed.